What's up, everybody? How you doing today? I figured I'd just go live early. I was gonna go live a little bit later today, but then I realized that I had plans. So I think it's better we do it early. I think we should do it early, just so everybody can get a chance to see it, especially people in the UK. I know it's, man, 4 o'clock Mountain Time for them is like 11 p.m. at night. I doubt anyone's gonna be watching at that time, but welcome. Thanks for joining. Let's do this. Let's talk about the things that are going to be happening here. But first, what's up, Apex Legends? Welcome in. Dude, I love it. You call me Big Man. Big Man. You want to do a TA for Iris / Bitcoin? Yeah, dude, we could definitely take a look at that. If you guys have any coins that you want to check out, let me know. And we could do a TA on them. Let me see if I can get Emmy in here. Let's see if he's in the live stream. Leonardo, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream. Colin, Patrick, hello. Welcome, guys. Champion heavyweight GRT. That's right, man. That is right. So Bitcoin's doing a little bit of a pullback, and I was kind of wondering where was it going, because it got rejected. Got rejected over here at this $50,000 line, a little bit over $50,000. Oh, and then I was like, oh, that's right. We could be going back for a retest, and we could possibly be coming back to test that resistance that was once support, which is right about in that area right there. You see Bitcoin was being held down as resistance. It got flipped for a second, and then it was support over here. So where are we at right now? You can see that was all right there. A lot of resistance. Could be just coming back for a short period of time before we have that next leg up. Totally possible. What if we come down here? That might happen. 44,000. It would probably be a little bit lower than 44. We're looking at $42,000. I don't know. I really don't think it's gonna go that low. I really don't. Let's take a look at the MACD on Bitcoin. What's going on here? How come I can't pull up my MACD? What are you talking about? I don't have anything open right now. That makes no sense. What? What's going on here? Uh-oh. Can we switch to a different chart and do it? Get rid of everything here. Let me try that. What's going on here? Hold on. I gotta fix something real quick. 1 second. I can't pull up any indicators for some reason, so I have to. Let me try to pull up something real quick. Pull up another. What do we got? What do we got? Sorry, guys. I probably should have tested this before even going live right now. My apologies. Okay, there it is. I fixed it, I think. Pretty sure. I don't know why I was doing that before. I have no idea. Okay, back to the indicators. We're on a 4-hour, checking out the MACD and the RSI. So we did have, oh yeah, look at that. That was an area of support resistance on Bitcoin. You can see it was resistance, and then we're coming in, we're flipping into support. Are we catching that support right now before we have the next takeoff? Maybe. Look how much support it was back here. A lot of support at the 48. That's the same line over on GRT. That's pretty interesting. It's right at that 48 line. Huh. Well, that's pretty weird. What's up, Toby? Yeah, no, I'm logged in for sure. I only use the free version of TradingView because I mean it does everything that I need. There's a lot of indicators that you don't get with the free version, like the Pi cycle top. You don't get that with the free TradingView. There's so many other indicators. I'm probably just gonna get it. I'm probably just gonna upgrade. That way I can have multiple indicators open at all times, and to just totally freak you guys out. This just be totally messy. But anyways, so we flipped. We just flipped this. Like I said, that was big area of support back here on the RSI. We were below it. We were consolidating, and then we got above. Interesting. Same area right there. Same area of resistance. Resistance over here as well. We flipped it and it's looking good. Get that bounce off of it. We'll probably get that bounce off of that support right there. And let's see where it goes. Oh man, I wanted to show you guys. I found a new chart on Numeraire. Man, okay. Way more data. We should go look at that. We're going to look at that after we take a look at Bitcoin and just kind of figure out where we're going to be going on the short term. Your MACD is about to cross. It's not a bearish cross by any means. I mean, you're sitting over here at the 0. What's up, Colin? Hey, man. Welcome. Muhammad Ali. Hello. What's up, man? Fat Tony. Or I called you Fat Tony. It's Tony Fat. You're not fat, dude. It's okay. Don't worry about it. We still love you. I don't care if you got made fun of in high school. But we're getting that cross now. That doesn't mean that we have to go down. We could just take a little bit of a cross, do a little bit of red, kind of like we were doing, like right here and right there, and we can just get that bounce off. But we are playing with these levels. We are playing with these levels. I'm really curious to see what kind of fibs are holding up along with these support resistances. And oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that's kind of hard to see, but it's like right about there. Okay. So check this out. Your 786 line is coinciding with that resistance right there. And so you're looking at this fib, and then you're looking at this line right here. This is a support line that I just drew in. And also we're looking at, oh yeah, right there too. The 0.5 is acting as resistance. That's going to be that area. They're coinciding really well. But we do have an area of support that is not even on the Fibonacci at all, which is right here at that 47.3, 47.4 area. We're touching it right now. We need to get above, yeah, that 0.5. $50,000 is really the next target we're looking for Bitcoin. $50,000, and then we'll be looking really good. Going to go test that 618. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When is that going to happen? It's going to take some time. We're probably in a larger consolidation pattern. I don't think it's over, right? Because I don't know if you guys remember what we talked about from here to down here. I mean, that was over like January 8th to the 27th, a few weeks, and then we just got our dip over here on February 21st over to here. So we're like a week and a half into it. Not even. Where's that structure? That's what I'm looking for. Where's that structure? And did we just create some kind of support resistance between these 2 points right here, this high and that right there? Is that an area of support? I don't know. Maybe. What's up, Alex? Welcome. William, hello. Welcome for the people who are tuned in right now. Thanks for joining, man. What's up? Great work. Thank you. Also, you got the best voice. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. It's got like 80%. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. So are we creating some kind of support resistance based off of this line for future data? Maybe. That could be possible. That's the thing that I'm looking for when I'm doing technical analysis. I'm just messing around. I'm looking to see possibly where we could be hitting next levels, where supports, where there are resistances, and it's not something that I'm going to leave up these indicators. It's not that I'm going to leave them up and they're definite. They're just giving me a nice kind of a good frame of mind. You know, where can we be going? Bitcoin's kind of on this trend right now, being held up really nicely. Gosh, that's a long uptrend. We're started all the way back here, October. Yeah, we're not going down. That's for sure. Break that trend and woof, yeah, we probably will go down. But I think it is safe to say by the end of March, by the end of this month, at a minimum, we could be looking at a $56,000 Bitcoin. Whether it just kind of does one of these, and then we get to the 31st of March, which is right there. I don't think we'll just skid along that support. I really don't. I think it's going to be a little bit more volatile than that. Probably come up and start making new all-time highs here mid-March, maybe a little bit later towards of March. But we do have a $100,000 target that we are looking for, and I believe that to happen before July. I really do. Massively. Hey, what's up, Emmy? Thanks, man. Thanks for joining. That's my moderator. Emmy right there. Everyone say hi to him. Be very nice to him. I appreciate it. So, yeah. Okay, you know what? Nice. Bitcoin doing its own thing. That's awesome. But I want to show you what I found on NMR. Okay, this is the chart that you guys know and love. We know about this chart. And then I was looking at NMR's history. I was just kind of doing some research on it. And I was like, wait a minute. NMR is much older. Like a few years older. And then I came across this chart over here. And I was like, no freaking way. You have got to be kidding me. I didn't even know about it. It's giving me so much more data to work with. But look, here's a daily. Here's a daily. And look what we're doing on our MACD right now. Look what the MACD is doing. We're finishing up the red on the histogram. By the way, like I said, this is a daily. Let that sink in. This is a lot of days. We're going to the beginning of 2000 over here, and it goes back. So the MACD, the histogram, is finishing up, and it looks like, I mean, it's getting really close here, but look at this cross we're about to take. Look at that cross we're about to take. I bet when we get that cross and we start printing more green on the histogram, that's when we start breaking these highs. But okay, before we even look at the histogram or the RSI, look where we're at. And look how well this was being respected all the way back here. It's really choppy and really ugly. And the reason why it looks like that, you can kind of see that right here. And there's this big gap right there. And it just kind of looks really sparse. A lot of gaps. You see that in between? It wasn't traded as much. It was not traded as much, and it's really smoothed out. Look, there's really no gaps anymore. It's starting to look really full, really nice. These are the kind of things that I'm looking for within the charts to see, is the volume picking up? Are people starting to trade this a little bit more? And yeah, it is. Look at the volume over here compared to the volume back here, where it was just kind of, I mean, it's double, triple, right? Even through back here when it was first released, it got a lot of hype over here. But nevertheless, look at this volume. A lot of volume just from November till now. That shows me that interest is picking up. So anyways, let's go back. Let's look at the Fibonacci. So I drew a Fibonacci from the swing high down to the swing low, way down at this scam wick over here. Look at these scam wicks. Look at all these people trying to get cheaper NMR, Numeraire, and they're getting it. Those wicks are crazy to me, but nevertheless, they're being held up really nicely. So you had your all-time highs back here, and then you fell below. You fell below. You tried to get above the 618 right there, couldn't do it, and that's the level. But look how nice it was being held at the 236. Didn't want to go any lower. That was a good area of support for NMR, Numeraire, back over here in 2019. August, over a year ago. And you can see it tried to come back up, tried to go through the 618, couldn't do it. Tried it again, couldn't do it. Came back, finally went to it, and then it was like, I don't think so. Mommy and daddy slapped it right back down to its bedroom. It said, go back to your bedroom. You've been a naughty boy. You're doing it too quick. We'll come back later. And that's what it did. It gained its support over here at the 382, and then boom, it shot up, and that was it. That was it. It was just on this new tear. But these fibs are being held up really nicely. Really nicely. You can see how the golden mean ratio was being held as support after we broke it. What happened after we broke that? We more than doubled. Gosh, can you imagine getting an NMR over here at 11 bucks? $11. That's insane. That's insane. So where did it go? Obviously $22 is going to be 100%. So it doubled, and then all the way up here, God, it tripled, quadrupled. 57 bucks. No. I'm sorry. That's $70 at the high over here. That's like 700%. That's insane. But from this wick down here all the way to the top, 6,800%. Holy crap. Imagine getting this thing for $1. That's insane. That's like getting GRT right now. Like at $1. That's what could happen, guys. GRT is super new. And when you have these new coins like this, look what it's doing. It's just going up. That's just what it's doing. So it's not crazy to think about GRT going to 10 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, $40 like NMR is sitting at right now. It's not crazy to think that. Not one bit. So the levels are being respected over here. Gosh, look at this 1618 being held as supports. Really good support. And it came up here to the 416 and then the 236. I'm sorry, the 4618 and the 2618 over here. And that's where we're at right now. We're in this range. We're in this range over here. And that's a pretty dramatic drop. That's a pretty big area. How much is that from the bottom to the top? 72%? My gosh. Where is it going to go after this? Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. And let's look at, we already have our fib. We know about this fib. We've talked about this fib. We know the areas that we need to get above. Hey, Abraham, thank you so much for the 10, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Did you want to take a look at a coin, Abraham? Oh, Cardano. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we could definitely take a look at Cardano. Let's add that to a list. Let me get a list going here. Cardano. Sweet. Appreciate that. Leon, what's up, man? Where can GRT go by the end of this year? My prediction, I think GRT can probably go. You didn't have to send another one. Holy crap, my guy. Okay, I guess we're doing two. You get 2 coins that you get to take a look at. I don't see why not. I don't see why we can't hit $10, $20 GRT. I believe it to be a $50 token. Straight up, $50 token minimum. It's so brand new right now, guys. You have no idea how cheap and how new you are to this token. It's coming. It really is coming. Okay, let me get a little organized here. Oh, thank you, Emmy. Thank you. You got it. So, Abraham, you just sent you sent a super sticker and a super chat. You got 2 coins, my friend. You can take a look at 2 coins, and we're gonna go take a look at that in just 1 second. But let's finish up on NMR. I love this new data that I have. It gives me so much more to work with to show me where we can be going. And I just love seeing this choppiness, just this kind of this crappy, very low volume traded coin or token at the beginning, and it's grown so much. It's just really beautiful. So what kind of trend lines do we have? It's so hard to draw trend lines with that. Wait a minute. Is this a what? Maybe. Oh wow, I can't even draw that. You kidding me? Oh, it won't even let me draw it because it's so big. That doesn't make any sense. Hold on. 1 second. Hold on. A tick? That doesn't seem right. I can't even draw a parallel channel. Well, I'll make my own parallel channel. Screw you, TradingView. Come on, bro. Really? You gonna do me like that, homie? I'll draw my own. Could that be a parallel channel? Somewhere like, no. That's not a parallel channel. I'm just messing around here. I'm just kind of messing around to see. That might be maybe something. Nah, it's too ugly. I don't like it. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick. This data on this coin is holding up really nicely. It's looking really good. I can't wait for this thing to explode. It's gonna be really insane. And when it moves, it really moves, guys. We know that. Look at these giant. Look at these. One morning, you're just gonna wake up and it's gonna do something like this, or it's gonna do something like that, or here. When it jumps, it loves to jump, and those aren't small moves by any means. That move from here to there, 1000%. We are on a daily, so that did take like 2 weeks to play out, but nevertheless. These moves are huge. This move from down here to up here, 300%. You could easily double, triple your money with this kind of thing. Even if you're just playing it to buy more Bitcoin or ETH, that's what I'm doing. That's really the ultimate goal, to get more ETH and more Bitcoin. That's why I started to become a miner. That's why I am mining more. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, no, that's got to be. Yeah, no, there's no way it dropped that far. That's got to be some kind of a glitch. Or error. I didn't even see that. Look at Cardano. Cardano having this crazy wick at 86% to the downside. That's not right. That's probably not right at all. But anyways, yeah, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Cardano here for Abraham. What's up, Abraham? I just want to say hello to the crowd real quick. Colin, what's up? Ren? Dude, yeah, we could definitely talk about Ren, Bat, Stellar. You guys want to see that? Okay, so we got Stellar and ADA that we're going to be looking at for Abraham. Thank you, Abraham, for the 20, bro. I really appreciate that. Thank you. You're helping support the channel. You're helping me on my way to be getting a live streaming set. I need to get a camera. I need to get some things, background stuff, maybe some like plush toys of Bitcoin. I don't know. I'm just trying to go off of what other people do. I should do my own thing though. So here's Cardano. Cardano is insane and becomes extremely hard to chart, but we're gonna do our best on it. I mean, it's just in crazy town over here. From the bottom, from the liquidity crisis to the top over here, we're looking at 8,000%. God, can you imagine buying Cardano in March of last year and it being 8,000% up in your dreams? That's what that's made of. This is made of dreams right here. It is really, really overbought. I guarantee if we go ahead on the daily and on the RSI, take a look. Oh yeah. And you've been having this negative, your strength is dying. Your strength is dying with Cardano. Look at that. You had your high over here, and that high was this peak right there. You even came up higher and then even higher after that. So you have price action that's moving to the upside while your strength is decreasing. That's pretty bearish. That's pretty bearish. It's probably time for Cardano to be taking a break. You can see multiple times how it tried to cross. It tried to have its bearish cross right there. Right there. Is the third time the charm? Is that really going to be happening? And look at your positive momentum is just weakening. It's going down, 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 down. You're ready for a correction. It is time for a correction on Cardano. I'm sorry to tell you that I don't think it's going to keep going up. We need it to come down. We really do. Let's go to a 4-hour. Go to a 4-hour really quickly. That was on a daily. Excuse me, one sec. So you have this momentum moving down. You can even see it on your 4-hour chart. Look at your 4-hour over here. Your relative strength is decreasing as price action is moving up. That's bearish. That is bearish. Not that, I mean, it could go higher. It could, but just know at some point this thing's going to be taking a correction as it's been doing right here, right here, right here. And where is that line going to go? Where is that support? So let's take a look at, let me turn up my sound a little bit just so I can, there we go. Perfect. Hey, Colin, thank you so much, man. Thank you for the 5. Please read the description. It is a minimum contribution of $10 to get a TA. So feel free to add that other 5 and then we can go ahead and take a look at it. Areas of support that I'm looking for. Oh, you know what? Okay. Now that is probably a parallel channel. That looks really good. So you're weakening under RSI. You're starting to move down, looking at a bit bearish, Same thing with your oscillators over here. It's just kind of all over the place. Nevertheless, on the daily, it looks a bit weak. It looks like it needs to take a breather. And come on, guys, we're talking in a month. What did this do in a month? Let's go to February all the way here, right there to the top. Look, literally that was all of February right there. 345% in a month. Get out of here. You're crazy. Tell any investor on Wall Street, hey, you're going to go ahead and you're going to make 400% in a month. They'll laugh at you. They'll laugh at you because it's really hard to do. Really hard to do. Okay, but check out this parallel channel that we have. Something like this. Right about. Let's extend this out a little bit. Okay, so on this parallel channel, you can see the clear areas. Yeah, my man. Thank you, Colin, for the 5. Really appreciate that, man. Yeah, definitely. We can definitely take a look at Ren. Adding it to the list right now. So Cardano, resistance. And then look at this area of support. We're going to blow this up. Let's go to a 1 hour because It's better to look at. It's easier to look at. You guys can understand this a little bit better. But check out this parallel channel that we're in right now. This is a price channel. This is the channel that Cardano likes to play within, and it kind of tells us where we're going to be going. So you have your resistance up here. It even came down. Look at this support. Look at the support on your heart line right here. All that support, you fell down. You came back up for the retest. That was resistance. And then boom, straight down to that support. You came back up. You hit that resistance at the heart line. You couldn't do it. It took a little bit of breather. You tried doing it again and it said, hell no, you ain't going. And it came back down. And then this crazy day right here, this crazy 1 hour candle just shot it right back up. And look what it did. It came back and it was testing it as support. Support, you fell below it. Are you catching the drift? You seeing this? Resistance, resistance. And then boom, you came up, you made a new high, you hit the top of that parallel channel, and then it came down and look, resistance, or this was all support throughout here. Support, 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 support. What happened? We already know, we already kind of talked about Cardano looking a little bearish right now. I'm long on Cardano. It's a fantastic project. It has a great brand right now. It could be an ETH killer. It could kill ETH. That's really hard to do, okay? I'm not saying that it's not a good project because it's really hard to kill ETH, but think about ETH's ecosystem and all of the tokens, all of stablecoins. About 98% of stablecoins are ran on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, that's huge. Ethereum is massive. It's running real slow. If Ethereum was in a race and it was running, it's probably going as fast as a turtle. While Cardano and Polkadot, these other ETH killers, are full. They're an F1. They're an F1 racer, and they are going hard. Okay, they have a long way to go. They have a long way to go to try to kill ETH. I don't think they'll kill ETH, but they probably will work with ETH because ETH it's not going anywhere. I know it has a lot of problems, but it's really not going anywhere. Anyways, back to the TA. Look what you did. You fell below the heart line over here and you came up for the retest. Look at that retest right there. Boom. For me, that would have been a sell area. That's probably where I would have sold, knowing that we got that retest and we're getting rejected. We're getting rejected. Areas that you could be coming down on Cardano, you could be coming down all the way over here to this support. You could be looking at $1.10, which is really not that far away. It's really not that far away. We're talking like 7% away. Is that a pickup zone? For now, is it going to hang below this level for some time? Oh, there we go. Okay. Maybe, but it currently isn't in a price channel. I'm going to expect it to be a little bit bearish for now. It could come down here and just kind of play with these levels, but really what you're looking for is you want to get above that heart line. Get above that heart line and come retest a new high over here. So we're in a downtrend, and it looks like you did have some kind of consolidation pattern going on. Yeah, you sure did. You broke to the downside. Look at this. While Cardano was playing all day and looking really good, and everything else was taking a big fat dump, Cardano broke to the downside. So yeah, dude, we can definitely use that right there. What's the target breakdown move? Look at that. Yep. That's bearish. Take a move from here to here, and we take that target breakout move and we move it. We put it at the breakout. Look at that. 1.7. What do we talk about that parallel channel? It'll come down and hit that parallel channel, and then you really have to watch and see where is it really going to be going. Let me bring it back for you real quick so we can see right about. It's like right, it's not perfect. TA is not perfect, but it's right about there. And then let's move it up. Really, I'm looking when I'm drawing this, I'm looking for the resistances, the supports, and then I'm also looking for the heart line, which is about right there. I like that. Look at that. Look at that target breakdown move coming down to that support over there. So most likely that's going to be playing out. Okay, I just wanted to show the parallel channel. It was kind of a waste of time because I don't even need it anymore. But let's take a look at these fibs. What's going on with these Fibonacci's? Yep. You're holding that 120 as support, and then it broke down. That was that level right there. So you could be coming down and hitting 116, 112. That wouldn't be too bad, though. Coming down and touching that 112, even just like maybe a little bit below, is not that bad. You never got the confirmation when you had this high back here and you came down and you came up and you tested that 786 and got denied super hard. You came back up and you tried to break through the 618. You tried to break through that 618 and that was resistance the whole time. That's good. That's good. That is what you want to see. But man, Cardano came back up. It tried to break out again and it was like, nope, sorry, go back down to your support level. Big area support down here for Cardano at that time. When it finally broke above, you never got the retest at the 786. It just went straight up and it came down and it hit the 886 over here at $1.16. But it never got the retest over at the 786. That's what I really would like to see with these things taken off. But man, it went up so high over here. It went up so high over there. And then, so coming back down to that 112 is not a bad area. So we have our areas that we're looking for where we need to get the bounce. If you fall below, where was that level? I should have just left that parallel channel up and just put it at a really, really small opacity. Okay. You know what? Sorry. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. Somewhere like, yeah, right there. And then let's draw it out. Right there. Okay. That's kind of messy, but if you guys can see this right now, yeah, coming back down, it's not going to go straight down. It's kind of, might be doing something like this. Could get that bounce at the $1.12, or maybe a little bit below it. Like I said, $1.10 to get that. You don't have to come down and touch it perfectly. You really don't. But you're probably going to be coming down within this area over here. That could be a strong pickup area. Let's look at the MACD. And let's see. Yep, you're getting your cross. That's on a 1 hour. We got to go to a 4 hour. Don't look at the smaller time frames too much, guys. They mess with your head. Yeah, okay, so you're still falling. Pretty big gap between the 12 and 26 day moving average right there. You're starting to just keep dropping. Keep dropping down. It doesn't really look like it's starting to round out yet. But once you get this cross between these two, it could possibly happen down here or down here somewhere. It's not over. We're going to be falling for a little bit more. So be looking out for those levels. Be looking out for those levels. I'm going to give you the support levels right now because that truly to me is what you need to be looking for. We could have a total reversal and it could just keep going up. Yeah, totally possible. Totally possible. But like I said, your strength is weakening on your RSI. It is weakening over here. It's going down. You would have to break that area. You would have to go above it and then come back for the retest on the RSI before you could even try to break up above this heartline over here. It's possible. It's not probable. Okay. Cardano's been on a tear for a while. So we're looking for areas to the downside right now. Looking for areas of support. So like I said, be looking for 112, 110 being that area of support. You might get a bounce at 116. That's possible. You don't have to come down and touch that support. You can just kind of cruise along here before you try to attempt to get above that heartline. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Like I said, on the daily, it's bearish. It's bearish. You could fall out of this parallel channel. You definitely could fall out of the parallel channel and it wouldn't surprise me at all. So proceed with caution. This isn't something that I would go buy right now. Gosh, I wasn't even buying Cardano when it hit 30 cents back here. I was like, I'm not getting in this game. I mean, it would have worked out really well. It would have been really good. But man, when I saw it pumping like that, and like, yeah, it's probably going to go higher. But I can't play with that. That's too risky. It's moving up too fast. So that is Cardano right now. Areas that you are looking for. You wanted to look at... Oh, Stellar. That's right. Yeah, Stellar. What's up, Jew? What's up, Jew? How you doing, man? Andy, welcome. Love your TA, amigo. Can you check out Raven? Man, I was actually... when I first wanted to start to mine, that was one of the coins that I wanted to mine. I really did want to mine Raven coin. Okay, that's right. We're taking a look at this Stellar. Oh, oui. I must have done this TA a while ago. Is it still valid? Yeah. Yeah, it's still valid. Okay, we have our support line. Let me back out. Let me see. Hey, Craig, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that 20. OMI and GRT. Sure. You got it, man. We'll add it to the list. OMI. Oh, you got me? Okay, thank you, Emmy. Okay, Stellar's ugly. I'll tell you right now. Charting Stellar is hard. It's not a pretty chart. Not to say that it's not promising. Not to say that it's not going to continue to do good things. I mean, it very much well could do that. But charting it is, and it's ugly. So we have this giant Fibonacci retracement. We're going back all the way here, July of 2018. 2018, we're going to go to where we are right now. Okay, but before we do that, when you started to become bullish on Stellar is when you came back up here and hit the 618. After all this time, all this playing around, you finally recovered, especially after the liquidity crisis back in 2020, I'm sorry. And you came up and you hit the 618. That is when stuff started to become real. It started to become really real. And what happened? I mean, you hadn't been that high in years. 2018, and then you do it 2 years later over here. People got scared, and what did they do? They sold. I would have, totally. They sold all the way down. That was a big drop. I mean, and that lasted for, gosh, November all the way to January. 2 months, that thing dropped almost 50%. Almost 50%, but people saw the opportunity, and they bought right back in because they wanted to get it for cheaper. They saw the strength happening, and once it sold off, they got to the bottom, and then they bought up like crazy. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row of just green candle. Green candle going all the way to the top. 220% in 4 days. Get out of here. I remember that day. I remember looking at Stellar and I was going, okay. But then what happened? Hold on. Got something stuck in my throat. And grab a drink. After you broke that 618 right there, look what happened. You came up, you came back for the retest. You tested it perfectly. You consolidated after that 220% pump. Beautiful, looking good, came down, and then it was ready to keep going higher. So when Stellar has its moves, it likes to move. We see that. Look at that. All throughout here. After you get your consolidations, you hit your pattern, you hit your supports and your resistances. Okay, so resistance turned into support. Resistance, you took off, turned into support over here. You could even call this resistance and this resistance over here, you took off, into support. Okay, that would have been the time to buy Stellar. We're looking at Stellar lumens right now. That would have been the area. And I want to show you why. What is this? Oh, I'm in financials. I was like, that does not look right. That does not look right. And yeah, look, right in that area, right in that circle. Let me zoom in. Make it a little bit more pretty for you. Right in this area, right in that circle, you had your bottom of your histogram over here, and you're starting to round out. This is on a daily, by the way. This is on a daily. We're not looking at a 4 hour. So you hit your bottom over here. Where did that RSI go on the daily? Okay, the daily is looking good. I like the daily because of one thing right here. You're showing hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. You have negative momentum moving to the downside while price action is moving up. From this bottom, I want to show you, but I want it to be pretty. This bottom and this bottom, this is making a higher high. This is making a lower low. This is bullish divergence. It's hidden bullish divergence. This next move for Stellar, wow. You know what? I haven't really got to see this. I've never really charted it like this before, but wow, what the heck? Look at that. That's looking really good. On a daily perspective, that has a lot of weight. A lot of weight. So, are these the times to be picking up some Stellar right now? Maybe not a bad idea. Maybe not. Let's go to a 4 hour. really quickly. I wanted to see, yeah, there's that bottom. So here's that bottom that I was talking about, and hit the 30. Hit the 30 perfectly. That would have been the area to pick up some more. Not financial advice, guys. I'm just showing you the data. So areas that we're looking to go, where are we going to be going? Hey, wow, thank you for the 96 people in here. That's insane. I didn't expect to get that many people. Thank you. Thank you for, hey, if you're here, hit that like button. I appreciate that. You're being held down by the golden mean ratio right now. And let me grab my fib because it's too freaking long, man. It's too freaking long. That's what she said. Okay, you're being held down by the golden mean ratio. I just Michael Scott, you guys. Did you see that? Golden mean ratio being held down as resistance right now. You can see how it's support back here. Almost hit that resistance right there. So you are looking to get above 43 cents. Get above 43 cents. You're going to be looking really good. Notice how you just got rejected. You just got rejected at that area. So don't be surprised. You could probably come down to 35 cents. 35 cents. Remember, this was an area of resistance, support all throughout here. So it wouldn't surprise me if you came down and hit 35. That's okay. It wouldn't surprise me if you came down and you hit 31 cents. That's okay. That's okay. We're still bullish. Get below 31 cents and you're losing steam. You're losing power. You're losing strength. And at the very least, you don't want to go below your 786. You really do not want to go below the 786. That was the goal the entire time throughout this entire Fibonacci. It took years for this to play out. Once you got above it, you want to stay above it and you want to continue to move to the upside. So don't come down and don't go below 28 cents. That would not be very good. 35, 31 cents are the areas. No, let's say that doesn't happen. Let's say, oh, you are in a bit of a trend right now. If I look at this 4 hour right here, yeah, you got some support. It's a very small time frame of support. But yeah, you're looking at that. Does that match up with anything? This is what I like to do. I like to extend it left to see, no, nothing. To see if it goes anywhere and it touches any supports. Typically on the larger time frames and you're looking at longer trends, that will work. On the smaller ones, not so much. So, hey, wait a minute. Is that an ascending triangle? Are you guys seeing this? Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Is that the breakout? Typically when you have patterns that break out of the pattern, it makes it an even stronger pattern. It just means that it's going to take off a lot harder and a lot faster. And from the hidden bullish divergence that we saw on the daily, on the MACD, I would not be surprised. That could be, oh wow. Yeah, definitely. Oh, beautiful. Let's say we get the breakout like right there. Look where it comes up. Look where it comes up. You hit the 2618 right here. I'm sorry, the 1618. You hit the 1618. If this thing breaks out to the upside, now it could take time. It definitely could take time on Stellar. You get that breakout, then you're going to want to retest that for support. So break 43 cents, come back for the support before you have a takeoff. And that takeoff, you're probably going to be coming up here and you're not going to stop there. I'm just saying that's the target you're going to be hitting. Getting past the 1414 and then coming up to the 1618, which is 55 cents, is showing a lot of strength. A lot of strength, and you're probably going to be blowing through. Once you blow through the 1618, the 55 cents, guys, I kid you not. You're coming up to the 618. That is the next area of resistance. This thing is in outer space right now. You're going to be coming up and hitting 87 cents. That's double. That's 100%. That's very that's very reasonable. 115%, no problem. No problem. So let me go back to the MACD and let's take a look. Ascending wet, or we have an ascending triangle. Oscillators are moving to the upside. You had some hidden bullish divergence back here, which was kind of what we saw on the daily. Actually, the daily was way back here. You might, let me see. Yeah, your strength is increasing. Your strength is definitely increasing. Look at this. You hit that 30, you came to the bottom. And what did you do? Every time you came back and you hit that 30 on Stellar, what did you do? Every single time. Look at this. Every single time. You were underbought. You came over here. You weren't quite overbought, but you were really high. Underbought. Overbought. Underbought. Overbought. Underbought. Yeah, you did it here. Overbought. Under. Over. Under. Over. Under. Okay, it's looking good. I like it. I think we can expect to become overbought. Since we came down to the 30, that's probably the area that we're going to be going. And you might get that with that ascending triangle. You possibly could be getting that. Looking good. Stellar's looking really good right now. And especially with Bitcoin, with it breaking out of that downtrend, and now we're moving up, definitely, absolutely. This thing could definitely move up really high. So let's recap areas to be looking for. You want to be watching out for the 35, the 31. You could possibly break down. If that were to happen, we can measure that the same way we went up. That's the same way we can go down. Where does that take us? Where does that take us? Right there. Look at that. Let's say we broke down right now. You're at the apex. You're so close. You're super close. Look where that takes us. If you break us down out of this pattern, I'm just saying, 886, 31 cents, or possibly coming down and hitting that 88 cents. That is the target breakout move. Breakdown move. You could be coming down, hitting 88 cents. If not, you're going to be coming up. You're going to be hitting that 55 cents. Get a break 55 cents and boom, you're gone. You are done. You're going to 87 cents. You test that as resistance. And then after that, we're going to $1.52. I'm not joking. This is very real. It's very possible to happen. I love it. Looks really good. What's up, chat? How you doing, Anthony? Hello. What's going on, dog? I love dags. I'm a dag lover. Quincy. What does that say? Quancy? I can't read. I can only read charts. Sorry, guys, if I mispronounce your name. Polka dots. Yeah. What do we got next here? We're looking at... Oh, that's right. We need to take a look at Ren. Absolutely. Let's go take a look at Ren. So, yeah, looking good. Stellar looking really good. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's take a look at Ren. Man, I put Ren on my list over here. I was looking for possible coins. Something that I think that would moon. Something with a low market cap. Yo, what's up? Shishmoke? Thank you for the 10, man. I really appreciate that. Do a D&T? Hell yeah, dude. Dude, hell yeah. We can do D&T. Dude, that's my coin. I love that coin. You know why? Because it's crazy. It's a gamble. It's a gamble and it's scary. But man, when that thing moves, it really moves. Okay. I believe Emmy has got me. We're going to take a look at the Ren. Where are you, Ren? There's too many coins in here. I'll find it. I know it's in here. I looked at it the other day. When I mean the other day, like a month ago. It's a while ago. Come on, Ren. I want to pull up my chart. Don't make me go look for one. Because if I have to go look for one, I'll have to... forget it. Let's go look up Ren. Let's look at the Binance, the Gemini, Coinbase. I think that's enough. That should be enough. Do we have enough data? That's what I'm looking for. Me. Is it that new? Is Ren that new? No way. There's got to be more data. There's got to be. I'm going to find it. Here, and... Sure, why not? We can look at those. Okay, more data. More data. I like it. That had to be the release. January... Or, no, June. 24th of June, 2020? That's all the data? That's... Ren calculated by TradingView. No, I don't like that chart. Okay, we're going to use this one because this one looks... That's got to be the release date. This has to be the release date because there's no way this coin is going to drop and nearly like kill itself. It's in when you're in price discovery mode. That's typically what we're looking at. Okay, Ren. Here we go. Ren USD. Yep, this is Ren. Let's look at our averages. Okay, cool. You're using it. You're using your 55-day as support right now. Looking good. Support. Looks like you had a bit of a correction. You're starting to slow down. You're slowing down and you're starting to shift. Look at that. If it was a roller coaster and you're coming down, oh shit. That could be the reversal right there. So what do I see? I see a trend. Let's get rid of that. What I'm doing is I'm looking with the naked eye. I'm just looking to see what happened over here. And like 20 things are popping at me at all at once. I'm going to show you guys these things. And I'll just start with the first one. So back here with Ren, you have this area of resistance. Right back here. Right there. Resistance, you had your supports. And that's really interesting. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to draw this out because that's been a very crucial area of support. You were in this giant triangle. Giant triangle lasted for months. Support, resistance. And then, you know, when you start getting to the apex, which is about 74% way through the triangle, when you have a lot of your price action towards the supports, that looks bearish, and then you broke down. When you have the opposite and it's towards the resistance, you're looking good. You're looking good. You're building up that pressure and it wants to break out. But in this case, it did not. It did not. Wow. I would have been super disappointed in this triangle. September to December. Yeah, it's a few months. A few months in between. You broke down, but you didn't hit your breakout. You didn't hit your target breakdown. Which your target breakdown over here is we're looking at, whoops. Yeah, not even close. You didn't even hit that at all, which is really interesting. But look what you did afterwards. You came up and then what was once supports became resistance. Yo, what's up, Michael? Thank you for the 10, bro. I really appreciate it. Ooh, sorry, Michael. You're off by 1 penny, my friend. You're gonna have to send. Oh, I'm just joking. You're gonna have to send 1 more penny, bro. It's not enough. It's not enough. I gotta feed my kids over here. D&T, please, and thank you. Hey, did you know that Schmoke suggested D&T already? So why don't you just go ahead and tell me what other coin you want to take a look at, because we're already going to be looking at D&T. So you came over here, resistance, and then you got above it. Man, you got above it and you turned it into support. That's huge. That's huge. That's really big, and it's been that support ever since. Okay, so we have this really crucial area of support. We're gonna leave it here. We're gonna draw it out longer. That's what she said, and we're gonna get the opacity down so it's not in our way. But we're gonna just use it there, leave it there as like a reference, just in case. Okay, now the second thing that I see is you're on this trend right now, and oh man, that's so close. It broke down a couple times in between there. Why are we using purple? I mean, I like purple, but yeah, that's better. You're running into this support. You're at it right now. Every time you came up, every time you came over and you hit that support, you got the bounce. Boom. You got the support. Boom. Got the support. Boom. You're about to get that bounce right now. Just based off looking at trend lines, it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at, okay. Now we're also going to drop the opacity of the trend line. Oh yeah, okay, let's get a fib. And where are we going to take this fib? That is the question. I like this swing high and this swing low back here. It's beautiful. I bet it's going to be respected like crazy. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, check this out, chat. Look at this. You had your top over here, okay? You came down, you made your supports, and what do we talk about? You need to come up and need to try to break that 1618. I'm sorry, just the 618. You got rejected, rightfully so. That's okay. That's okay. You got rejected at the 618. You came back down. You tried to do it again. You couldn't do it. No problem. That's fine. At least you're coming up and you're trying to test it. But look at the support that you held all the way back here at the 236, 26 cents. Okay. When you came up and you tried to break the 618 again, you couldn't do it. You came back, you hit that support, and you broke through it. You didn't even play around in the 618 to 786. You said, see ya. I don't give a care. And I'm leaving. I just censored myself. Normally I would have said the S word, but you know, it's YouTube and stuff. So what happened after that? You broke through. You came back for the retest at the 786. That is so bullish. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. And ever since then, you've been on this trend and you've just been moving up. You've been moving up. You use the golden mean ratio as a resistance. You broke through it. You came back and you tested it as support, not once, but twice over here. And when you got that confirmation, you took off. You took off. And now you're still in this uptrend. You see that green line, that very faint green line right here? You're on that uptrend, looking really good. Looking really good, Ren. Get some, Ren. My God. So right now you're looking to break the 2618. Which you're running into this resistance, or I'm sorry, you're running into this support over here for this green trend line, and you're about to get your bounce off of it. Perfect timing. Bitcoin is going up. We broke a trend. We're moving up. Let it take its move, and that's gonna take Ren with it. Break through the 131. Break through that 131. You're gonna be coming up. You're gonna hit in 220, without a doubt. And at the latest, you could be hitting 220 by the end of the month, at the very least. But you have to stay on this trend line. You have to stay on this trend line all the way up. That's the minimum. That's the minimum that we're talking about over here. Yeah, by the end of the month, you could definitely come up and hit 220. Absolutely. Okay, let's go to a 4 hour, because I'm going to be pulling up our MACD and our RSI. Okay, beautiful. You're showing negative momentum moving to the upside right here. You have your bottom of the red histogram, and you can't see jack with that. Let's move it up. You're having your negative momentum moving to the upside. That's really good. You had your bullish cross down here. You're set up, and it looks like you are taking a little bit of a breather, but that's okay. Remember, we're coming back and we're testing that trend line before we can pop up. Let me make that a little bit better. You see that? You haven't come down and fully tested it quite yet. So you could possibly be running into that support before taking off. You're totally fine on your RSI. You have a lot of room to the upside. A lot of room to the upside. And wow, Ren really likes to come up and hit this 84 on the RSI. You can see how it likes to come do that right here, almost right there, right there, right there. When you're overbought, then you take a dump. But it's not over. It's not over, because you can see we're still moving to the upside. So you haven't even had that. You haven't even had the takeoff yet. You're on the 4 hour. RSI is really low. You could come up and you can run this thing hot, go to that 84. You could even go above it if you wanted to. If you do that, then you're definitely going to be coming over here and you're going to be hitting 220. You definitely be coming over and hitting 220 for sure. And that's just on this short term, or yeah, nope, that's what we're going to be looking at. Those are the levels we're going to be looking at. On the short term, by the end of the month, we're looking for 220. If not, let's say, and I know you don't want to hear it, but I have to tell you, areas that you could fall possibly down below. Well, we know that purple trend line over here. Can you still see it? Let's make it bigger. This is going to get really messy, but I know you guys can do it. I know you can see it. Okay. Areas of support down below. We have our Fibonacci's, which are the horizontal lines. And then we have our support lines, which are these diagonal trend lines. Okay. If not, let's say you break through that green trend line, you're going to be coming down, and you could possibly be coming down to 87 cents, 78 cents. And I don't want to get below this purple trend line. If you get below your golden mean ratio, which is 72 cents, and you close a 4 hour candle below that, you're done. You want nothing to do with Ren. That's not looking good. I mean, it took you so much time to break through that dollar. Everybody was looking for that dollar. You finally got above it. You consolidated. Look, you went all the way up to $1.83. You came down, you consolidated, and you want to move up. So be watching these levels. Be watching these levels. Golden mean ratio, 82 cents. Do not get below 82 cents. If it drops down there and you get the confirmation like that, you already know. You already know what you're going to do. I don't have to tell you. So it is possible that you could fall below in this area over here. Very possible. Be looking out for those levels. Okay. Right now, looking good. Ren is looking pretty good. Let's stay above it. And that's it. That's all I have for you on Ren. Hey, look, it's CanK. What's up, dude? Welcome back. Thanks for coming back in, man. Really appreciate you being here. Anthony, what's up? Love the energy. I love your energy. How dare you? Matthew, hello. Do you think Bitcoin falls 39 since the daily close is below the 20-day moving average? Do you think that... maybe. No. I'd have to go take a look at it. We'll take a look at it a little bit later. But because we just broke out of a downtrend and we turned it that resistance into support, well, we haven't fully tested it yet. But I mean, we're getting there. It's not looking bearish right now. No. Definitely not. Especially because we didn't break below 42. I don't think so. I don't think so. Is OXT dead, my friend? No, dude. It is not dead. It is not dead. You want to talk about a dead project? Go look at Ripple. Oops. Sorry if I offended you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. Ripple is it's not dead, but man, it's under a lot of pressure. That's not a coin that I'm looking to get in. Not at all. Too risky. Really too risky. Thoughts on CGLD coming from Vicman? You can definitely request a coin and we could take a look at it. The show. Mr. Keeper, new cipher. Yep. Hello. Welcome. Crypto Greg. Greetings, Grenade. Have you looked at Aave? Yeah, I've looked at Aave. I've looked at a lot of coins. I do a lot of TAs on a lot of coins. Carl R, have you ever checked out... Yes, Ian J. Dude, Ian J, over the past couple of days, has been on a tear. It's been looking really good. Guys, request the coins. You guys want a TA? You want your supports? You want your resistances? You know where you're going to be getting in or getting out? $10 is not a lot of money. Yeah, I know you guys are investing way more than $10 in these coins. So, invest in yourself. Get the TA. Get that TA. Okay, we're moving on. We're going to go take a look at... What do we got? We got Craig. What's up, Craig? OMI. Never heard of it. I probably have OMI. Hold on. Let's look it up. OMI. We have our Binance. We have Bitfinex. And I don't know what that exchange is. And this one's calculated by TradingView. Oh, wait. Did you want to take a look at those? Somebody was requesting a coin in Bit. No, I doubt they'll be wanting to take a look at a Bitcoin. But if you do, I mean, I'll do it. Oh, OMG. Yeah, no, duh. Yeah. I have an OMG up here. Where you at, OMG? Oh, well, you know what? Since we already brought them up, let's just take a look. Let's look at them. Let's see which charts do we have? Which ones are the good looking ones? Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. It's beautiful. Data. I love it. I love all the data. This one is calculated by TradingView. It's not too much of a difference. Still looks pretty good. I like that one. We're going to take a look at this one. Okay, here's OMG. Man, I remember OMG back here when it pumped right over here. Yeah, and it came over to that $1.50 area. I was like, man, should I get in? And I should have. I really should have. That's oh wow, look at this double bottom. Look at this W formation you're putting in right now on OMG. Looking good. Wow, you dropped below. You made a double bottom over here, and then it got weak. It got weak for a minute. Back here. Looks like you are getting the correction. You had your correction over here. Of course, that was probably due to Bitcoin. Bit of gas. So, okay, I'm looking for things. What do I want to see? I see areas of support. I see areas of resistance. I see that one right there. You're at right here. Okay, the good news is you're above that support right there. You can see that was resistance, and then, man, that got really ugly. This chart is ugly. Look at that. Okay. Those are areas of support and resistance. Let's get rid of it. Let's go look at a fib, and I want to take that fib from this top to this low. That low? This low? I like this one. Yeah. We're going to take it to that one right there. Okay. OMG. Oh my God. You came up, you hit your resistance over here. And then, yo, what up, Crypto Greg? What's up, Crypto Greg? Thank you for the 10, bro. I really appreciate that. You didn't say which coin that you want, though. Let me know. Amy, can you look out for Crypto Greg? And tell him which coin that you want, and then he'll make a list for me. So, wow, you got that nice support. Okay, the 236 over here, which is $3.84, was a big area of resistance all throughout here. And it really tried, man. It really tried back here to get above it, and it failed miserably. And then it was resistance all throughout here. All that resistance. Yeah, you wicked up, you closed some bodies above it, but you didn't prove yourself. OMG did not prove itself in confirming that that is a broken resistance. Okay, you finally did that. Not too long ago either. I mean, we're talking about the end of February. Over here, you came back and you tested that as support. That's big. That's huge. I don't know if you realize, but turning that into support didn't happen, geez, ever. It never happened. Well, at least in this time frame over here. It probably happened somewhere back there, but nevertheless, you finally flipped that into support. A lot of these charts right now, this is kind of looking a little bit like Numeraire, where it came down and it tested the 236 as support. I believe that was like $32. But anyways, for OMG, you just proved that that is support. So at the very most, or at the very least, you really do not want to break below $3.84. That would not be good. That would really not be good. You have to stay above $3.84. You came up and you tried to break out of the $5, and that's coincidence. That the 382 is your $5. That's $5 right here. That's a resistance. That's what we're looking for on the short term to get above. Get above $5, and you're going to be looking at $6. Okay, that's kind of weird. These fibs are playing out really nicely, and they're matching up with the psychological resistances. So, where are we going to go right now? I need to look at some leading. Ooh, look at this. Let's go. Oh my God. That's why they made it this coin. Okay. Hidden bullish divergence playing out right now. Negative momentum moving to the downside as you have price action moving to the upside. That is textbook bullish. And it's hidden. It's a hidden indicator. It's a leading indicator to let you know what might be happening afterwards. Okay. This is on a daily. We're on a daily chart right now. So it's going to take some time. You're looking at probably over the course of the next 2 weeks, maybe less, but you're looking to get this cross. You're looking to get this cross over here. Get your bullish cross out of your 12 and 26 day moving averages on the oscillators, on the MACD, and you're going to be moving to the upside. Complete this red histogram. You already moved from red to light red, and these bars are going to start getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. And when you flip over, you're probably already going to be above. You'll probably be coming over here and testing the 618. This is a big move. This is going to be a big move. This is not going to be a little move. And look at your RSI. You're at 43. You're at 43 on the RSI. Are you kidding me? This thing is primed. This thing can run so hot, it is not even funny. And we know, I mean, when it likes to run, it really likes to run. You hadn't really had a run since here and back here. You're due for a run. This thing could be running super high. Okay, from this bottom to this top, 268%. From this bottom to this top, 540%. Oh, man. Dude, it's looking really good. It's looking really good right now. Okay, this might be one of those coins where you get in early. And when I mean early, I mean, you could have got in way back here at 34 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. Yeah, you could, but it's not over. It is not over for this coin at all. I believe you could be running. Yo, what's up, Alex? Alex Zilto. Thank you for the 10 euros, bro. I really appreciate that. I didn't see what coin you want to talk about. Go ahead and let me know what coin you want to see. Yeah, Amy's got it. Thank you, bro. My man. So, yeah, OMG. Looking really bullish right now. Looking very bullish. Man, okay. I want to go get some of this now. This makes me want to go get some. That's not a bad area. This is not a bad pickup area at all. This is not financial advice, but holy crap. Let's see. The top was almost 10 bucks. That's 100% measured mood plus to the upside. 120% just to break all-time highs. And then when you break that all-time high, okay, sorry, not all-time highs. We have data to the left of us. We do, but we're looking at the short term right now. Once you break all-time highs, you're going to double. I said all-time highs again. Come on, bro, stop it. When you break this previous high over here, expect to double. You're going to double. Where's that 100%? 20 bucks. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. You come up here and you test that 618, dude. And then you're going to be looking super good, bro. You want to break above it, test that support, play within the 786. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes you don't even care and you'll just break above it. You go above the 618, the 786. You test it as confirmation. What's up, Carl? Yo, bro. Welcome. Thanks for coming by, dude. Glad you were able to make it. Yo, Leland. You're my man. I'm your man. Let's get married. Just joking. I'm not gay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Can you please do a TA on ENJ? Yes, definitely. Yes, we can. And also DNT. Yes, very much. Hey, we already the next coin that we're going to be looking at. Actually, we're going to look at GRT after this, and then we're going to be taking a look at District as well, Carl. So pick another coin, and then Emmy can. Do you think you can get that into me? Make that list a little bit. Thank you. I appreciate that, Emmy. So, I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Okay, short term things you got to be looking for. You got to get above $5. Break that resistance. That was a big resistance back here. $5. $5. Huge support right there. Resistance right there. Flip that into $5 and let's go up. And we're going to attempt to break $6 over here as well. That's a lot of moves. That's a lot of moves, but like I just showed you, the thing's looking really bullish. It's pretty easy to assess your risk with this one. Break below $3.84, you're done. You're out. You want nothing to do with it. Get the hell out of there. What the hell you thinking? Okay? Don't play with it. Because especially if you break down and you come back and retest it, and then you keep falling more, I think that would look really bad. You probably don't want for that to happen. It's gonna be a bad day for everybody. Okay? So, looking good. OMG, looking really good. What are we doing after this? That's right, GRT. GRT? Didn't we do an update this morning, dude? Didn't you watch the video? I feel bad. Hey, dude, that one's free, okay? GRT, we did an in-depth, like pretty in-depth TA. It was like a 15-minute TA this morning. So, Craig, go look at that video. It's free. Do you want me to look at another coin? I'll do a TA for you on GRT, but like I said, we already did it this morning and it was free. So let Emmy know what coin you want to take a look at and we'll get it in there. Okay, things are getting a little hectic right now. We're going to have to get a little bit organized with the coins. Appreciate everyone coming by and checking it out. I normally don't schedule these things. They're just kind of random, and if you get lucky, you get to come in and we could take a look at coins. Yeah, for sure. Definitely. So yeah, GRT, that one's free. Go check it out. DNT, that's what we're looking at next. DNT, the district. Boom. Right here. Oh wow, look, we held that support. I drew these trend lines a while ago. We held that support. That's really good. You came down and you hit it perfect. What was that, 20 cents, 21 cents as support? All right, you did break that trend. That's going to be an area of resistance for you right now. Did this one go down and touch? Close. Man, this, okay, guys, DNT, District, I don't know if you guys know anything about this coin, but from the liquidity crisis back here, all the way to the top, Over 20,000%. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. That's stupid. Throw $100 in there and then come back with 20 grand. Seriously? $100 way down there, 20 grand now? Ugh. It's stupid. This thing really likes to move. When it moves, it moves. And I know you're probably thinking to yourself, man, these moves are getting smaller and smaller. No, they're not. We're in log scale. Take it out of log scale and they're getting bigger and bigger. Oh, buddy. Look at these moves. This is out of log scale, okay? When you put it in log scale, it's a different perspective. That's how I chart, is on log scale. So if we were to measure these moves on log scale, watch this. From here, 800%, okay? From here, 300. Oh, I guess they are tapering off. Okay, never mind. I'm wrong. They are getting smaller and smaller. Well, okay. Screw me, right? Forget it. I thought I was going to try to show you guys something. Nope. Oh, wait. I'm talking about this one down here. 700%. 400%. Oh, they are getting smaller. Okay. Never mind. I'm sorry. I lied to you guys. Okay. Anyways, let's move on. So, you're holding that 20 cent area as support right now. Awesome. Great. That's good. I made that line a while ago, and it's holding up still to this day. You broke a trend, and it wasn't even that long of a trend. I mean, we're talking about a month from here to there, maybe 2 months, maybe 2-month trend over here, but that's okay. That doesn't mean we're going to go down. Definitely doesn't mean we're going to be going down. It just means that we have a next area of resistance. It just means that we're going to be looking to come up here and test it as resistance. Okay. Let's get rid of all these lines. Just like D&T and Stellar, they're harder to chart because their moves are so drastic. This doesn't happen typically within the regular financial world. On your regular stocks, your equities, your ETFs, anything. That doesn't happen. Only in crypto that happens. I came over from the stock world, and I'm applying a traditional TA to a non-traditional market. Okay? Think about that. It's kind of weird. It's really insane. Sometimes it doesn't play up. Okay, your golden mean ratio is acting as resistance right now. You're getting held down at that resistance. An area of support that you do not want to get below is 21 cents. Do not break below 21 cents. If that happens, you're going to be moving to the downside. Like I said, there was a trend that we just broke. You're below it. And if you prove otherwise and you start going lower away from that trend that was back here, that's not good. That's not really good. I'm looking for that trend to be resistance for us in the future. And let me get that line back out. And let's leave it here. I want to leave it here. I want to drop it like it's hot. No, just drop the opacity a little bit. So, golden mean ratio being held down as resistance right now. Get above that golden mean ratio. You're looking for 25 cents. We know that. That is a psychological resistance, 25 cents. You got to get above a quarter. Get above a quarter. Turn that into support, and you'll be coming up to 26, 29. And then after breaking 29, when you break your 1618 and you test it as support, you're out. You're gone. Is that going to happen? Let's see. Let's go check. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm telling you, all of these coins are primed right now. I've been talking about the pickup areas for the past week and a half, probably longer. And I'm like, guys, these are areas of pickups that you need to be thinking of. Look at this hidden bullish divergence. Same thing. All of these charts looking very similar. Very similar. Look at that hidden bullish divergence, guys. Come on. This is a leading indicator that tells you we are moving to the upside, and it hasn't even happened yet. This is how you can see into the future of trading. And if you want to learn to do TA like me, go buy my book. Link is in the description. It is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target. You name it, I'm in every bookstore. Every bookstore. That's because I have an awesome publisher. Awesome publisher. So hidden bullish divergence, negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. That is textbook bullish. Where's your pickup area? Well, when this MACD crosses, remember, your indicators are lagging. Price action is king. So your lagging indicators over here, you're waiting for that cross. You're already starting to print red on those bars, those light red on the bars. You flip that over and you're going to be making your next histogram. You're going to be making your next island and it's going to be looking really good. At that time, you're, and look at this shift. Look at the shift over here. It's a roller coaster, right? And you're starting to round out and you're ready to go up the next hill. You're ready to go up to the next hill. I am looking to come break 43 cents in the short term. I am expecting for that to happen. But look at the green line. That's resistance over here. I guarantee D&T will play with that resistance. And if it doesn't, that's because it's just going to blow straight through and do one of these moves like it has in the past. So be looking for those areas. You're not overbought, not even a little bit. You're sitting at the 50 on the RSI. You're above 42? No, I don't like that. I don't know where that support would be. But nevertheless, you like to come up here and you like to hit the 96. Oh my God, 96 on the RSI. That's hot. That's hot. That's actually too high. Can we go lower? Yeah, you know what? I like this better. Let's play with that level right there. 89. 89 on the RSI is what you like to come hit. Right there. Right there. There. You blew past it over here. A little bit over there. And then boom, you hit it right there. That's an area. I'm not telling you guys to trade or swing or whatever, but you know, when you come up to this line over here, which you're getting close, you're looking for it, you really want to do it, that's an area of rejection. And by the time you come up and you hit that level, you'll already be up here. You'll already be up at that 43 cents, possibly 71 cents. Those are the areas that I'm looking for in the future for D&T. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. We are at the beginning, or actually we're probably like maybe halfway through this bull run right now. Maybe. I could be totally wrong. We could be super early still, but based off of stock to flow and looking at the pi cycle on Bitcoin, it shows that we're about halfway. We're about halfway through. We're not done. Altcoins can still go up like crazy. I mean, we're talking about a lot crazy. So be looking for these areas. Let's recap real quick. Do not get below 21 cents. You don't want that to happen. If you wick down there, that's okay. Don't close a body below 21 cents. Get above 25 cents. Get above that quarter. And you're going to be looking really good. Then we're looking for 26, 29. Once you break 30 cents over here on D&T, that's it. That's it. You're going to be coming up. You're going to be hitting those levels. Plain and simple. Cut and dry. That's all you need. That is all you need for the D&T. Okay. Did we get this cleared up? Emmy, did Craig tell you another coin other than GRT? Are we going to be looking at something else? Did Michael? Okay, Michael did request Loom. Okay, cool. See. Craig, did we get another coin? I told you we weren't going to look at GRT because I did one this morning. I loaded it up on YouTube, so you can go look at that for free. So, Emmy, let me know what coin Craig wants to look at. Did he tell me? Here, let me just look real quick. Let me just check it out. Let me see what's going on. Maybe say some hi to people. Big Pete. What's up, Big Pete? Welcome, dude. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Craig. I don't see anything, Craig. I don't see anything. Craig, let me know. Let me know. You can get another coin. We're going to move on, though. Smoke. We looked at D&T. Looking really good. Michael. We looked at D&T. That's right, Michael. I mean, we already did it. You can tell me to look at another coin since you paid for it, and we'll do that coin. So, Craig and Michael, Jonathan, need you guys to tell me what are the coins we're going to be looking at. Okay? We're going to move on. We're going to move on. Crypto Craig, It's time to look at Aave. Yes, sir. We're going to be changing the finance world. We're going to be changing the lending world with Aave. For sure. There's a huge token on the Ethereum network. Huge token. Lots of possibilities with Aave. Aave is going to be a little harder to do TA on, so I'm going to do my best. I'm just going to be looking for things. And let's look. Let's see. I hate that I can't draw these parallel channels the way I want. Come on, TradingView. What, do you want me to upgrade? You want me to upgrade? That's still really pretty. Where is that trend? Okay, I'm looking. What trends are you hitting? That's been an area of support for you. Definitely. Definitely an area of support. Okay, that's not a parallel channel because we only have one resistance over here. Okay. That was support right there, obviously. We knew that. This is another area of support for you right there. And you're getting the bounce off of it right now. I love it. I really do love it. Wow, that's looking really good. What did you come up and hit over here? 586 on Aave. That's an area of resistance. Did I turn on? Uh-oh. Here comes the subscribes. I put a delay on it, so hopefully it doesn't go off like crazy like it did last time. So, thank you very much for subscribing. I don't know if they're in here. They're probably not in here. You have your resistance, your supports. Where are we going? This could get a little messy. Okay, bear with me. Bear with me, because this is all I got to work with. Okay, we know our all-time high is there. We can get rid of that. We can get rid of this one. Aave, on the short term, you came back and you hit $300 as support. That was a pretty big psychological support. People didn't want to break below 300 bucks. Okay. Look what you did over here. Let's zoom in and let's go to a 4-hour. We're on a 4-hour chart looking at Aave. Looking at Aave right now. You came up, you made your high, you came back down, and you tested it as you tested the 618 over here as resistance. It couldn't quite get above it, and it failed, and it said, screw it, I'm going back down. So it came back down and it hit that support, not once, not twice, but 3 times. I bet you were showing strength. I bet you were showing a lot of strength. Not the stochastic, bruh. Not the stochastic. Yeah. Look at that strength. So as you were making your low, your low, your low, all equal horizontally, look at your strength over here. Look at the strength increasing. That was beautiful. That's bullish. That's very bullish. Increasing in strength. You made 3 lows all at the same level, and it was time to move back up. Look where you're catching your area of resistance right now. On Aave, why is this fib so massive? That's what she said. That's the 3rd time I said that. I'll say it more. You hit your resistance over here, and you can see how it was support. Support, 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 support. Beautiful. Almost right there. Beautiful support. You flipped it into resistance. 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 This is going to be a very important level for you to break. That's at about $400. Looking at $396. That's at our 382 on our Fibonacci. Get above that $400. You're going to be looking really good, my friend. I mean, really, since February 4th. So we're talking about a month. A month worth of resistance. Okay? Get above. Flip 400 into support, and you're going to be coming up, and you're going to be taking a look at that 465, which is that 618. Is that possible? Can it happen? Let's go look. Not the historic. We don't need the historic volatility. Relative strength. Oh, wow. You were showing that way back here. And it was playing out even in between it. You know what? It's too new for a day. We have to go to a 4-hour. There's a lot of data. I mean, there's not enough data to show us what'll be happening on a daily. Okay, you're showing a little bit of bearishness. A little bit. Not too much. Not too much. You're about to get your cross right here. You're turning this green os or this histogram into red. And it is possible. Thank you for the sub. I really appreciate it. Emmy, you were calling me, bro? What the heck, dude? Hold on, Emmy's trying to get my... Oh, Emmy's trying to tell me something. Oh. What's... You can't call me, Emmy. Stop calling me. Just talk to me. It's stuck on the screen? Well, that's interesting. Oh! Okay. I know why. Give me 1 second. Let me fix that real quick. Okay. I fixed it. Emmy was trying to get my attention over here. Just typing bro, back to back. That's so funny. I didn't realize it was up on the screen for so long. That's crazy. I'll have to fix that later. I'm not really exactly sure why that happened. Okay. Emmy, is it fixed? Does it look better now? We're going to move on. So, you're looking a little, okay, you're looking a little bearish, but that's not bad. You're probably going to be coming back and you're going to be testing the $353, $353 as support before you get the resumption off. You're getting that clear rejection right now. So yeah, you can probably come back down to 353 before you get the resumption to try to come but break $400 again. Have another stab at it. There's a lot of room on the RSI to go do that. No problem. You're sitting smack dab in the middle. So be looking out for that on Aave for now. But I mean, really, ultimately, you are looking to get above $400, okay? An area that you do not want to get below $300. That's it. You're done. Anything below $300, you're done, because at that point, when the time comes on, comes time. When time comes time, wow, doesn't make any sense. When the time comes, that 300 is going to be a massive area of support. You're also going to be touching this trend line down here that I drew at the very beginning. That trend line goes back there. So this is an area of support over here. It's possible. It's possible you could come back down here. Unlikely. I don't think so. You came back and you already tested it 3 times. You came up, you hit resistance, come back, hit 354 before having the resumption off. Be looking for those areas. Okay. Once you get above the 618 over here, which is $466, you'll be playing within this area. This is a very crucial area. This is our bullish zone. This is the zone right here. You can expect to see a lot of volatility after breaking the 786, testing as support. You're gone. You're gone. Most likely, that's what's going to be happening with Aave. This is a huge project. It's just taking a breather right now. I'm long on Aave. Massively long on Aave. I do believe you could be coming up and hitting $1,000. Even $1,600. That's no joke, guys. By the end of this year, that's very possible. That's very possible. Shoot, within the next 4 or 5 months, that's very possible. Okay? Aave is a huge project. If you don't know about it, you need to go learn up on it and need to read about it. Because you could possibly be buying houses or cars through Aave. Huge token. Huge token. So, okay, that's it. That's all I got for you. Okay. Thank you for deleting all that, Emmy. It's so funny. Okay. Oh, so okay, so Michael changed his to Loom. Definitely we could take a look at Loom. And then Craig, still nothing from Craig, huh? Let me know, Craig. We're here. Not gonna be here for long though. Not gonna be here for too long, guys. This live stream isn't gonna be too long. Just quite short. Okay, now we're gonna be taking a look. Carl wants to take a look at gas. Is gas a coin? Is that really a token? E and J. Emmy, you're confusing me. You're really confusing me. I don't understand what you're saying. Gas? I don't know what that means. So, okay, I'm gonna look back up in the comments over here. Carl, E and J, and D and T. That's right. Okay, yeah. So we're moving to DNT. Yes, Bitcoin gas. Okay, Emmy, I don't know what you're saying, buddy. Sorry. Okay, we're going over to DNT or E&J. Let's move over to E&J. Let's go find out. I had this one over here. Boom. E&J. Oh, it's being respected. Really nice. Wow, I drew this one a long time ago. Drew this a while ago, actually. Let's go to a daily. Yeah, cool. Nice, dude. Nice. So let's give short-term and long, or short-term. Oh, cool. You broke the all-time. You even came back and you tested it. Looking good. Short-term targets on E&J right now. Wow, dude. It looks like E&J is on its way up to the 2618, which is $2.26 right now. There's really not a lot of resistance over there at all. There's no data to the left of me at all. You came back, you hit the 618, which is beautiful. You tested it as supports, and then you took off. And then you hit your golden mean ratio, which is resistance. We know that. Golden mean ratio is an area of resistance. Once you've come up here and you've hit it, you've made it. You've made it. So, but you're blown past that right now. You came back, you hit that support, you even wicked all the way down to the 786 for support, and now you're taking off. And really, the next area that I'm looking for, yeah, $1.26. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, look at that hidden bullish divergence. Same thing. These coins looking very similar. A lot of these coins looking very similar. Hidden bullish divergence, negative momentum moving to the upside, while price action is moving up. That's bullish. Textbook bullish. Wow, dude, this coin's looking really good. Stochastic? No, not the stochastic. Why are we looking at that? RSI. You're a little overbought on the day, but you can run it hot. You've done it in the past multiple times. Multiple times. Yep. Look at this area. You like to come up to 85, 86 over here on your RSI. Right there. Right there. Here. 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 So, yeah, you're overbought, but you like to run it hot. You really like to run it hot. When you come up here and you touch the 86, you're probably going to be hitting that $1.26. Since you're getting the breakout out of the 1-4, oh, you're right there at the 618. Okay, my lines, they're too thin. There we go. That's better. Okay, negative momentum, moving to the upside. Hidden bullish divergence looking good. Oh, there's the 618. Okay, I was confused because you're right on it right now. Holy crap, you're literally like right on it. Are you getting rejected? Yeah, man, it's really close. Okay, you haven't done that yet. That's kind of exciting. You haven't done it yet. Let me shorten this up, because this fib was made a while ago, like a while ago. Go to the day, shorten it. Right about there. Okay, go back to a 4-hour. Yeah. Look at that 618. Using it as resistance right now. Can you get above it? That's the question. You need to close a 4-hour candle above it and then come back for the retest. Come back for that retest and you're gone. You're absolutely gone. That's about that 80 cents. Yeah, you're struggling with 80 cents right now. You even came up to about 85 cents about 12 hours ago. And sorry guys, I'm reading a message right now. Oh, that's right, Emmy. That was Alex. He had the 5, right? And then he sent the other 5. And he wants to take a look at gas to Bitcoin. That's right. I remember that. Okay, we're definitely going to do that. So, you need to get above that 80 cents. When you break 80 cents and you test that support, dude, you're gone. Like I said, 126 and then 222 after that. If you don't, areas of support and areas you do not want to break below is this golden mean ratio right here. You do not want to get below 62 cents. No, not even a little bit. Not even like That would suck. Are you going to go through 80 cents right now? Do it live. That would be so cool. Let's watch it run. Let's watch it. So do not get below 62 cents. That would not be good. That would really not be good. It's possible if you get rejected over here at the 1618, which is 80 cents. Let's say you get rejected at 80 cents, you'll probably be coming back down to 70 cents to test that for support before moving up. Okay? Very simple, very cut and dry. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, you're not overbought on the 4 hour, so you can still run this thing hot. Definitely can run this thing hot. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. Not a whole lot that I can give you on this right now because it's just been going crazy. It's been going crazy. What is it up right now? On the day? You're up 15% on the day? Crap. That's good. Look, you're breaking 80 cents right now. Literally breaking 80 cents right now. Is it going to run? Is it going to go hotter? Probably. Probably. But be looking out for this area. Dude, there's nothing. No resistance in between this area. Over here. Nothing. Get past that, you're gone. You're done. You're going to be going up. Yeah, dude, look, it's pumping. It's going right now. It's wanting to move. Okay. That's really all I got for you on ENJ. Looking good. I like it. Wow, this thing could be running like right now. I want to take a look at it after we get done. Okay, we looked at ENJ and MATIC. What is that? What is that ticker? Anyone know what that ticker is? MATIC? Are we going in order here? I hope we are. Okay, I don't really know. MATIC. I got nothing. MATIC? Is that the ticker? ENJ and MATIC. Did we cover everything? I just want to make sure that we're going in order here. I know it's been kind of crazy and all over the place. Craig needed to pick another coin. He still hasn't done that. We did DNT. Michael Johnson wants to do Loom. Yes, okay, we know that. We did Aave. We did ENJ. MATIC, and then Loom we need to take a look at. Other Blue, hey, how you doing, man? Welcome. I did Stellar. You can rewind the video and you can go take a look at Stellar. We did that before. Definitely. MATIC. Man, I don't know what the symbol is. I don't know what that is. Trying to look for it over here. I got mana. Man. Is that it? I doubt it. Is mantra duh? I don't know. I don't really know what that is. I need clarification on that. We're going to move on though from MATIC. We'll come back and look at that. So we're going to take a look at Loom. Hey, you can't call me, dude. You stop calling me. Loom. Let's go look at Loom. Emmy, stop calling me. What are you doing? Stop it. Okay. Oh, MATIC. MATIC. Okay, there we go. That looks better. Oh, got it. Did I put it in there? Oh, that's my bad. Yeah. So stupid. I'm so dumb. Okay, yeah. No, we got MATIC. We got Binance. We have... What other exchanges do we have? Check that one out. We'll take a look at... That's really about it. See how those look over there. Okay, going to MATIC. Emmy, can you revise my list? Can you tell me, can you make me a new list and tell me the coins that we're going to be doing? Oh, wow. This thing was moving sideways for a while, a long while. And then it finally had its pop. That's crazy. That is pretty crazy. Going to be kind of hard to chart. Going to be pretty hard to chart. Yeah, that's going to be hard to chart. Okay, I'm going to do my best with this. I mean, it was just moving sideways for all this time. I mean, we're talking about May 2019 all the way to June of January, sorry, of 2021, and then it decided to have its pop. I wonder what kind of news came out. What was it doing? Can we have some kind of structure right there? Yeah. You can have your structure right there, but you're gone. You're way past it. I mean, you've gone up from here. Here's a perfect... Okay, this is a pretty good example of coins really not to ask for, because it's so hard to TA on these when they're gone. I mean, it's pumped 1,600% this year alone, and we're only in our second month. Well, we're going into the third month, but it's only been 2 months. Okay, that's crazy. TA is kind of out of the bag at that point, but you can see how it's being respected over here, coming up and try to break that 618 right here. 618, 618. You got above it, and look, you tested as support, you came back, and now you're off. But where are you now? You guys don't care about the past. You want to see what's happening over here. Okay, I might be able to do a Fibonacci to give you some kind of perspective on where it could be going. Yeah. Okay. That's looking pretty good. I like that. I think we can work with that. Man, this thing is ugly. It is ugly. Look, you broke your all-time highs. You came down, you made your low, and then you tried breaking, you broke through the 618.786. That's good. You used it as supports, and then you just had this crazy day where it just shot straight up. Came over to the 1618s. Yeah, you came over to the 1618s. You tested that as resistance, and then you got rejected hard. But when you got rejected really hard. I mean, it threw you back all the way to the support over here at the 236. But look at the recovery that you're having. That's weird. That's really weird. That's kind of ugly, the way that's happening. Nevertheless, it's working. And it's being played out. You can see it came up and it came down and it tested that golden mean ratio as that support right there. Even over here, you hold your support at the 1414, and now you hit your resistance at the 2618. You hit that resistance, and you're looking a little bearish right now because you got rejected pretty hard. You got rejected really hard right there, and you're coming down at that support at the 1618, which is 18 cents. Yeah, you could possibly do that. You could possibly go down and hit that. So negative momentum is moving to the upside. Actually, this one is about equal. But look at this hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence right there. And it played out really nicely. It really did. I mean, from this bottom, if you would have bought that bottom over here, from here to the top, you're looking at 160%. That played out really well, and it looks like you're taking a little bit of a cool down right now. You've been losing strength on your RSI. You have downward. Your strength is becoming weakened, and your price action is moving up. So it's looking a bit bearish right now, in my opinion. You could be coming down and be testing the 1618, which is 18 cents right there. You don't want to get below the golden mean ratio on this one. 16 cents is really where you want to be cutting your losses after that. Break below that, and that's not good. You're probably going to be starting a downtrend, and you'll be moving downwards. Okay, so don't break below 16 cents. It's okay if you come down and touch 17 cents or 18 cents. That's okay. That's possible. So you might, on the short term, be looking for some down action on this one. Sorry to tell you, but that's just what the charts are telling me. And it does look like you are in... Oh, look. Are you in Yeah, dude, you were in an ascending wedge. You were in an ascending wedge, and it looks like you already broke out of it. Where is it? Yeah. Look at that, dude. You're breaking out of it right now. That's bearish. That's really bearish. Go to a 1 hour. Oh, it looks like it's just now doing it. Crap. Okay, dude. I'm letting you know right now. This is bearish. This isn't looking too good. Okay. You had your hidden bullish divergence. It played out. You hit over 160% or whatever it is. And it looks like you're going to be going lower. Steven, thank you so much for the 5. I really appreciate that. Elron, we're going to be wrapping up the stream here. Wrapping up the stream here pretty soon, guys. Craig, thank you. Wow. Thank you for the 10, man. I really appreciate that. So, Steven, if you add the other 5, we'll take a look at it. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys right now that I'm starting to lose steam. Getting kind of hungry. I'm going to go get some food. So we're going to be wrapping up the stream here pretty soon. But yeah, add that other 5, and we can go take a look at Elron for sure. And then Craig, Leland Broski, can you do a TA on S and X? Love me some Synthenex? Sure. Synthetics? I don't know. I can't read. For the way of the DeFi projects pumping right now. Thanks. Yeah, man, for sure. You got it. MATIC, looking bearish. Hate to say it, man. Don't want to tell you that, but it's true. This is a daily. You're about to get your cross. About to get that cross right up here. And to be probably moving to the downside. You could get a fake out, though, right? I don't want to give you all hope is lost. I mean, it's not lost. It's just you need a correction, man. You've gone up a lot. You've gone up quite a bit. Where does this RSI? Yeah. Thank you, Steven, for that additional 5. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, definitely. We'll take a look at it. Elron, add it to the list. Okay. So that's what I have for you right now. We talked about targets to the downside. That's what we're going to be looking at. That wasn't it. Pretty sure we covered that. Yeah, we covered that already. That's it. That's all I got for you right now on MATIC. Okay, so this is what I'm going with. So we're going to be, what's up, Alex? Gas to Bitcoin. That is interesting. The pros look at Bitcoin pairs. The pros do that. Gas. We'll take a look at that one too. Why not? Gas to Bitcoin. Holy crap, dude. Just recently, gas is just like broke a major area of resistance. And it looks like you're even coming back for that support right now. Okay. Is that a good chart? Yeah, that's fine. I think the first one was fine. Okay. Big area of resistance that you just broke. And we're talking probably all the way to back of July of 2019 that you did on this Bitcoin pair with gas. That's crazy. I'm really curious to see where the price of gas is right now in USD. But you broke that area of resistance, and now you're coming up, and you hit. Look at that. Yep, perfect. That one right there, and then that one right there. This one's going to be very simple, very easy TA to follow. Yep, you're testing it right now. Let's go to an hour. You're putting in some kind of consolidation pattern. Over here, you're above the support, looking really good. You need to get above. Why are we looking at it in Bitcoin? I'm just curious. Why do you want to look at it in Bitcoin? I mean, it's valid. It's very valid because you broke that resistance, and that's huge. So that's an indication that we're going to see more upside to it. A lot of upside, actually. Ooh, that's a lot of hidden bullish divergence. Holy crap. Not 1, but 2, but 3. Look at that. Yep. Look at that. Hidden bullish divergence. You did it here. And then you did it again right here. So it looks like it's pumping up, it's priming itself before you have the next move to come up here and try to attempt to break 0.0003 Bitcoin. What does that move? It's hard to measure it because you can't measure it in USD. Okay, so hidden bullish divergence. You're moving to the upside. You're catching your support right now. Next, you're going to be moving up. You want to get above the 0.0003, and then when you break the 0.0003, you're going to come up and hit the 0.0004 after that. And we know that because that has been area of resistance / support in the past. Back here, okay? Support, you broke this support, you're down below. It's going to be an area of resistance for you. Same thing over here. Support, you broke below it. You came back for the retest, and you couldn't hold it. You're going to be going down even more. So, looking good right now because you just did break that trend. Is that a bullish dragon? That might be a bullish dragon. It's a harmonic. Yeah. I think that is a bullish dragon. Huh. Yeah, interesting. So, see how this kind of looks like the back of a dragon and then its tail over here? When you make the tail and then you break the previous resistances over here, that's bullish. Okay? So, just based off to Bitcoin, it's looking really good. I don't have a whole lot for you because we're paired in Bitcoin. We're paired in Bitcoin. So, that's it. That's really all I got for you. You're looking good, you're looking bullish, and you're going to be moving to the upside. Hold. Hodl. That's really all I got for you. Okay, we looked at gas. We looked at E&J. We did that one already. And then now SNX. And then I'm going to ask you guys no more contributions because we're going to be ending the live stream here pretty soon. I got to go do things. I got to go eat and get my day moving on here. But I appreciate you guys coming by. Let's finish it up with these last two coins. Oh, we took a look at EL or EGLD for sure. SNX. That one, Gemini. Why not? Let's look at the one on Coinbase. So this is on Coinbase. For anybody that wants to look at SNX. Where's my data? That's it? I got nothing? This is my data? Guys, be careful. Be careful when you ask me for coins like this when they're so new. Actually, this one's not that new. Last year, July. But it's just gone. There's not a whole lot of TA that I can do to it. I am seeing... that could possibly be an area of support for you. Maybe, possibly. But guys, I just want to show you this right now. It's really hard for me to do TAs on coins like this. Look, there's not that much data. There's just really not that much data. I'll have to drop it to a 4-hour. But even still, it's not a whole lot because it's gone. It's gone. Look, you had a really nice inverse head and shoulders over here. It's really ugly. But that definitely is an inverse head and shoulders. Actually, no, it's not. Ugh. Because it broke down over here. Okay, guys. This is going to be a hard one. This is going to be a hard TA to give. I'm not really sure what you can be expecting on this coin. All I can do for you is bring you a fib. Bring you a fib. Oh, look. You went up and you hit the 618. What trends do you have? You just broke a pretty heavy trend over here as well. That trend coming right there. Ouch. Yeah. That was a trend that you got below. I don't know. I really don't know. That's not good. You can see how it's support all throughout here. And then you broke below it. And look, you even came back and you tested it again. Let me zoom in so you guys can see that. You came back and you tested it. You tested that resistance and it was like, I'm going down. And it went down and now it's just been kind of moving sideways. But in this formation, you came out and let's move that. You came up and you tested the 618. That's good. That's really good. You're breaking your support over here, which is at the $21 range. Breaking that support means that you're going to be coming down and be hitting 19 cents. After 19 cents is going to be 17 cents. That might happen. And let's go look at the indicators. Let's go look at the... Oh, I just lost my MACD. Crap. Yeah, you're starting to lose momentum, and you're about to make your cross right now. So you came up, you hit the 618, and that's resistance. That's a hard resistance for you to break through, and you're about to get your cross. You're losing momentum on your histogram. You're starting to come over here and print that red. You could be coming down and touching 19 cents or possibly even 17 cents. You don't want to get below 17 cents. If you get below 17 cents, then you really are in a downtrend. And it might be going down a little bit further. I could be totally wrong. We're in a bull market, and this thing could take off. It really could. That's the thing with crypto, though, is you're not really sure where it's going to be going. Yeah, you're losing strength on the RSI, and it looks like you were about to go make another low over here. Like I said, this kind of coin is really hard to do TA on. I don't have much data, so I'm giving you the best that I got right now. 17 cents. Hold that as support. If you don't hold it as support, you're out. Hold that as support. You could come back down and touch 19 cents. That's okay. Have another attempt to come over here and break 23 cents. If you break 23 cents, sweet, dude. You're looking good. 23 cents is going to be the area that you need to break. Test that as support and come up here to the 786. 25 bucks. That's going to be a psychological resistance, as it has been in the past. And then once you get above $25, dude, poo, man, you're going to be going. You're going to be going really hard. That's only 22% away. That's not that much. That can definitely happen. So be watching out for those levels. When you break the 786, you're going to 60 cents. You're going to be coming up here really quick, really fast. But we got to watch out for this resistance. I guarantee this is going to be an area of resistance for you for a while until you can break that and get back above it. Eventually you might get back above it. That's going to be playing as resistance. And that might coincide with that 1618 and that trend line right there. That might coincide with that. So, but you need to break. You need to get through here. You need to get through there. If you don't get through there, and you get rejected, and you start falling down, not good, man. Not good. 17 cents. 19 cents as support. Anything below that, I wouldn't hold your breath too much on it. I really wouldn't. But like I said, it is a bull market. You could get surprised. It's a pretty long trend, man, to break. Pretty long trend coming all the way back here. So, sorry. That's all I got. That is all I got for you on that one. Okay. EGLD. I have a feeling that I looked at it. EGLD. Yeah, we did. I still have... Yes, dude, this was a good one. This was a really good one. You got that support. Oh, I'm so happy for it. I'm so happy for it. Okay, let's draw this out. I'm so happy. Did you request this coin last time, Steven? Did you do it again? What's up, Dylan? Thanks for joining the live stream. Hey, if you guys are here, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Those likes help me, and they're free. That's the nice thing. If you're enjoying this content, you like these TAs, hit the like button. Okay, that's right. Yes, this was looking really good. Okay, so I don't know if this was you who requested this coin last time, but you had this area of resistance / support through all here. That red trend line right there. Resistance, 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 resistance. When you got above it, you flipped it into support. And you've been using it as support ever since. We had this backup trend line back here, which is this red one. You can see it was supports. That was an area that we were looking at as a backup if we broke through this trend line right here, which you didn't. And I believe, man, we were sitting like right here the last time we did the live stream, and I was like, you need to catch this as support on this trend line, and you did. You got it, and now you went up. But look, beautiful. You hit the 0.5 as resistance, and you're using the 382 as support. Man, my brain is fried right now. Like, I need an energy drink or something. But you use that as support. And then you just came back up and you hit that as resistance. This is your channel. This is your channel right now. It's okay if you move sideways. Move sideways in to that support right there. And it's going to force you to go up. If it doesn't force you to go up, then you'll be breaking down. But I just don't see that happening with this coin. It looks really good. I like how bullish it's looking. Oh yeah, dude, check out the daily. Check out your daily over here. Same thing. This coin is showing hidden bullish divergence. Not all of them do this. Not all of them, but a lot of them are. Hidden bullish divergence. You're finishing up your red. You're in your light red over here on the histogram. Get your cross down here, dude. Get your cross down here, and you could be coming up here and trying to attempt to break the 160. The 160. So, looking really good over there. On the MACD, yeah, you were overbought. Bitcoin took a dip, and then it's kind of hanging out down here. But that's okay. That's fine. That gives you a lot more room to move to the upside. Okay, looking really good. EGLD, looking really good right now. Let's go back to a 4-hour. So, play around in this area. You really want to hold $123 as support. You want to hold this as support. If you break below 123, not only are you going to be breaking this trend line, but you're going to be coming down. You're going to be testing the 236. Also, this trend line down here. That's not good. That won't be looking good. If you break below $100, you're out. You're done. You want nothing to do with it. Get out. That's not good. That'll be 30% drop from now. Is that 30%? I can do math. I'm just not good at reading. No. 20%. 21%. Okay. That is the area that you're going to be looking for. Do not drop below that 101. Stay above it. Stay above 123. Use it as support. Get above the 142, and you're going to be looking really good. Your next area of resistance that you're going to be looking at is $160. You can see that was a huge area of resistance back here. Get above 160, turn it into support, and you're going to be going up, and you're going to be touching 186. After that, flip that into support, and you're done. You're gone. You're done. You're going to be doubling after that all-time high at 220. You're going to be hitting 420. Come on. 420, 440 is the areas that we're going to be looking. Yeah, you're going to be gone, dude. You're probably going to be coming up here and hitting 776. After that, it's going to take time. It's going to take a lot of time, but that's a very realistic target. Very realistic. Looking good. I like this coin. Okay. That's it. That's all I really got for you. Looking good. I like it. Those are the areas. Those are your supports. Those are your resistances. Watch for the areas. Like I said, on your daily, your MACD. About to get that cross, dude, on a daily. That's a lot of weight. I don't know if you realize how much weight that is, but get your cross and start printing green on your histogram over here. And you're, like I said, you're probably already coming up and trying to test 160. That'll happen. That'll definitely happen. I do think you'll come over here and you'll break all-time highs for sure. How long are you willing to wait? That's the thing. You'll break all-time highs and then you'll double after that. No problemo. Who do we got over here? Lucas. Hey man, what is that? R2? What, R dollar? I don't, $2? Hey man, we're not going to be taking any more contributions right now. We're going to be ending the live stream here pretty soon. We've been live for 2 hours. Oh my god, that's too long. That's crazy. I need to cut these a little bit shorter, guys. So yeah, we're going to be taking a break. We're going to be getting off here pretty soon. I'm pretty sure we're all caught up. Are there any coins that I need to look at? Anyone who made contributions, we didn't get to take a look at your coin, let me know right now. I'm pretty sure we were organized and we got that the entire way. And thank you. Thank you everybody who made their contributions. I really appreciate that very much. Alexis, hello. Can you do some TA on Zill and Harmony? Yeah, dude, we've looked at those coins before. I'm probably going to be doing a live stream maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I'll probably, if I do, it's going to be random. And it's just when I have time and I can come do some TAs for everybody. But I'm going to try to be doing more live streams here within the next few days, because I know these are really crucial areas, very good pickup zones for a lot of these coins right now. So I want to make sure that everyone gets their information for their pickup zones or whatever coin they're going to be buying, selling, whatever's going on. It's a crucial area. Very crucial area. What's Bitcoin doing? Nothing. Bitcoin's doing a bunch of nothing. Just being Bitcoin. It's moving. It's going. We're on an uptrend. $280,000 is my predicted target by the end of the year for Bitcoin. Really do think that'll happen for sure. So yeah, guys, come back tomorrow or the next day. I guarantee I'm going to be doing a live stream at that time. I'll give you guys an update. I'm going to make a video tomorrow morning like I do normally. I'll make a video, post it on YouTube, and I'll let you guys know then when I'm going to be doing the live stream. I'll let you know what time. I just don't know exactly when that's going to be right now. Like I said, it's kind of sporadic, kind of all over the place. But if you haven't already and you are new, hit that subscribe button. We do the live streams and we do the videos. I post free videos, free TAs, typically about GRT, New Cipher, Orchid, Numeraire. We just started talking about Alpha. Ooh, boy, that Alpha coin, I'm telling you. If you can get your hands on some Alpha, not financial advice, but whoa, you better watch out. Alpha's going to mess you up in a good way, in a really good way. So yeah. What's up, Dylan? Brazil. Are you from Brazil? I have a viewer from Brazil. It'd be interesting to see. Okay, guys. I believe that is going to be it for me today. I really appreciate everyone coming by. Thank you so much. Remember, guys, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.